This quick video tutorial is going to cover using the Voice over IP option when attending WebEx sessions. You should all have the calendar invite or either an email that contains a link that looks something like this, that when you click on will take you to WebEx so that you can log into your session. Now you will probably need to enter your name and your email address. That's important for us because that's how you're going to show up on the as an attendee. We can call you by your name if you put your name in this box. I'm not sure if we have session passwords, but if there are session passwords, they will already be entered into that box. Now, as the WebEx loads, what you will notice is there's going to be a box that's going to pop up on your screen that's going to say, join this integrated voice conference. We need you to click yes to join the voice conference. Because this is voice over IP and there are no dial-in numbers, you will need to choose an option on how you're going to use your speakers. So the volume popped up in the left-hand corner. You could see that. But what you're going to want to do is go up to audio and then go down to speaker, microphone, audio test. That will pull up this box that you're seeing in front of you right now where you have options for speaker and you have options for microphone. Now the speaker option has a drop down. Right now I have two options because I'm using a headset currently, but you can see there's also a second option below that. You can test these options. If you're not hearing audio, go into this box and click the test button. And as you could see, you could hear the speakers coming through. That means your speakers are turned on and you should be able to hear audio. The box below contains the microphone. Now, full disclosure, we do set this WebEx to be a mute upon entry. What that basically means is you will not be able to speak unless your microphone is opened by your host or the producer. I'm sure you've all sat on WebEx before where there's a lot of feedback, a lot of background noise. Using this voice over IP option and a muting of the microphones will make it a lot cleaner. But we do still want interaction. So I would ask that you would test your microphone just to make sure that it is working, and you can do that in this box. You can see that I've got some blue waves coming off my microphone, and that means this is picking up my audio. You have options here as well in the event that you are not seeing those blue waves coming from the microphone. Now, I am not the host of this WebEx. I had to have one of my instructors set this up so I could show you how it looks from the standpoint of a participant. However, your instructor will always have this little box, this little round circle, WebEx circle next to that, but you will be able to see the waves, the blue waves coming off of the computer from the instructor or the host. And if you don't see those things, that means you are not picking up the audio. Now, if I don't speak, you're not going to see those. However, while I'm speaking, you should be able to see those blue waves. If you don't see the blue waves coming off of your host, up at the menu bar is an audio option. When you click on the audio option, you'll see integrated voice conference. Right now, my only option is leave conference because I am right now participating in the voice conference. However, I'm going to go ahead and click leave right now so I can show you what it looks like when you are in a WebEx and you forgot to click yes and you need to join the audio conference. As you can see, I'm speaking now, but there are no waves coming from next to my name. That means this system is not picking up my audio. You can still hear me because I'm recording this session using a different type of technology. However, if I go up to audio and I click on integrated voice conference and I click join conference, it will open up the options, and once again I'll get my volume options and you will be able to see there's sound coming from my microphone and you would be able to hear it as a participant. In addition, of course, I just want to give a quick second to talk about the other options in WebEx that will allow you to participate. Raising your hand, we do ask you questions and we'll ask you to click the green check mark for yes or click the green X for no. You can also send fun emojis, like if maybe you needed to go get a cup of coffee or maybe you had a fabulous idea. We can open your microphones. So let's just say I had an idea or maybe I wanted to raise my hand and share. we'll have a producer on that will see that, and we can come over and we can, right now, my mic is open, of course, but you can see I've got these options to the right, and I will be able to do this for participants. I can open your mic. Mics can be muted, and then they can be opened back up. So if you would like to participate, raise your hand, and we will give you an opportunity to speak to the group. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to us via email, and we look forward to seeing you on the next session.